back to the Generation Next, a talk show, second episode on 6 verticals in NEP 2020, initiated by Vivek College of Commerce. So today we have with us our very own Dr. Vijita Shetty ma'am, Principal of Vivek College of Commerce. We heartily welcome you ma'am.
Thank you.
So ma'am, before we start with our 6 verticals topic, I just want to ask you, how's you ma'am?
All good. I'm very happy that we've got a lot of good response from the students, learners, parents and other stakeholders. And I think majority of the questions were relating to 6 verticals.
What are 6 verticals? Yes ma'am.
So
Today our topic will be on 6 verticals as well, and we are very willing to, we want you to share the knowledge what exactly the 6 verticals are.
So very happy to share with you the 6 verticals. So the first one is major, and under major you have mandatory and electives. The second one is minor. The third one is open electives or general electives. The fourth one is vocational skill course and skill enhancement course. Then you have the fifth one, which is ability enhancement course. Then you have value education course and very interesting Indian knowledge system, which comes under the fifth vertical. And the last vertical is co-curricular, or you have research project, or you have field project, or you have community engagement program, and also you have OGT, that is the on-the-job training. So these are the 6 verticals under NEP.
Ma'am, why government have introduced these 6 verticals?
Interesting. If you in the first episode we spoke about what is the focus of NEP. The focus of NEP is multidisciplinary. So in one of these verticals you have this multidisciplinary aspect. In these verticals, once you study these verticals, you have something known as flexibility in curriculum. There is in-depth learning about one program which a student or a learner will undertake. So it goes to a very higher order learning. Then also there is one aspect of critical thinking which is possible when you go through this, when you learn these 6 verticals. The co-curricular aspects which I was talking about in the previous episode. So the focus, whatever was a focus or an objective of NEP, relating to skills, relating to employability, relating to experiential learning, all these things are imbibed in the 6 verticals. So ये जो 6 verticals होता है, इसमें जो focus होता है NEP का, जो objectives है हमारा NEP का, multidisciplinary aspect, flexibility, अलग-अलग skills होता है, including जो मैंने first episode में बताया था कि Indian knowledge system जो हमारा roots है, वो जो philosophy है, वो भी स्टूडेंट्स पढ़ेंगे एक वर्टिकल में. इसलिए ये 6 वर्टिकल्स होता है बिकॉज इट बेसिकली फुलफिल्स द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ NEP.
Ma'am, in short summary, we want you to explain all the 6 verticals.
In short. Sure. So in the first one, it is major. For example, if a student is doing BCom in accountancy and finance, like you are a student of BCom in accountancy and finance, so you do major in accountancy and finance, and every year till your 6th semester, and also if it is a 4-year program then it will be 8th semester, so it will be in depth. Your studies will be in depth in accountancy and finance. So that is your major. Under major I told you about the mandatory and the electives. So this electives normally is in the 3rd year and the 4th year, where you have the electives which you will opt for. But that will be again related to your program. जो हम लोग specialization लेते हैं या general है, जैसे BCom है, तो BCom में भी एक specialization होगा, जैसे accountancy है, commerce है, economics है. So जो electives है, वो electives का भी major में related है. तो that is the first one, that is a major. अब ये जो second होता है minor होता है. तो ये minor क्या है? Minor will be related to your discipline specific, या तो it will be across faculties. For example, अगर बच्चे ने major in accountancy किया है या major in IT किया है, तो minor in commerce भी हो सकता है. Minor in something like science भी हो सकता है, any of this, और minor in even law हो सकता है. So minor is basically that हम in depth नहीं जा रहे, लेकिन at least we know about the subject very well. वैसे minor का concept है. और जो थर्ड बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, दैट इज अ मल्टीडिसिप्लिनरी एस्पेक्ट जो ओपन इलेक्टिव्स है. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आईटी का बच्चा है, जैसे यू आर स्पेशलाइजिंग इन इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, in open electives you will be learning about something known as principles of management or you will be learning about financial literacy. तो जो साइंस का बच्चा है वो मैनेजमेंट सीखेगा या समथिंग लाइक फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी सीखेगा.
डिपेंड्स ऑन हिज इंटरेस्ट कि उसको क्या
एब्सोल्युटली, एंड डिपेंड्स अपॉन व्हाट इज द कॉलेज ऑफरिंग आल्सो. सो बट ओपन इलेक्टिव्स इज समथिंग व्हिच इज वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम व्हाट यू आर लर्निंग. एक अलग सा डिसिप्लिनरी एस्पेक्ट है इसमें. So that is interesting. That's a multidisciplinary, tone here. And then you have something known as a fourth. ये fourth में जो है वो vocational skill sets है. For example, अगर आप accountancy पढ़ रहे हैं, so ये practical aspect होता है. For example, अगर मुझे GST पढ़ना है या Tally पढ़ना है या Excel पढ़ना है, वो skills जो होता है which is going to complement your major, जो major subjects है, उसको जो complement होता है वो आपका वोकेशनल स्किल्स कोर्सेज होता है. और जो स्किल एनहांसमेंट कोर्सेज जो होता है दैट विल बी डिफरेंट. दैट कुड बी जनरल आल्सो. अगर आपको कोई भी स्किल्स सीखना है, जैसे बिजनेस एटिकेट सीखना है, ईमेल एटिकेट सीखना है, वो आपका स्किल सेट्स में आ सकता है. स्किल एनहांसमेंट कोर्सेज है. तो वोकेशनल इज बेसिकली रिलेटेड टू योर मेजर. स्किल कैन बी जनरल स्किल्स. तो ये जो है वो फोर्थ वर्टिकल है. I hope you are getting it. And the fifth one is again very interesting. It talks about communication, that is ability enhancement skill. So business communication कैसे होता है, या communication skills होता है, या languages होता है. अगर आपको कोई भी Indian languages पढ़ना है, foreign languages पढ़ना है, तो वो ability enhancement course में आएगा. And then you have something very interesting, as I've told you, and that is the value-based education. That is the value education course. It could be any values. It could be human values. It could be any specific human values, or it could also be studying something known as constitution, or fundamentals of human values. Also can be behavioral skills. All these things can also be included in value education courses. And then which I am looking forward to in NEP is the IKS, that is the Indian Knowledge System. This is very interesting because आपका जो 2 क्रेडिट है फर्स्ट ईयर में आप IKS करेंगे. So one of the you will be studying something on Indian philosophy. हमने कितना मैनेजमेंट थियोरीज पढ़ा है, how many of us know the Indian management, भारतीय मैनेजमेंट थियोरीज. All those things will be covered up in IKS. Not just in management, it could be in science, it could be in technology, it could be in arts. So that Indianness, that Indian philosophy, that will be covered up in IKS. In IKS also there are 2 aspects. The student will be learning general IKS, and then if you are majoring in something known as economics, so आपका अगर major economics है, in future you can also take IKS majored in economics. For example, Kautilya's Arthashastra. You can study in detail. Political science students can also study the political aspect of Arthashastra in detail. So that is the scope which we are having in IKS. And the last one. So you have co-curricular. In the first session, I have already spoken to you that students will be getting credit for their co-curricular activity. So you do your cultural, you are into sports, you are into any other extracurricular and co-curricular activity, that will be covered up in your CC. That is in the first year. As in when you progress in the second year, third year, you have an option to go in for field project. You can have an option to sensitize students, for community service. आपके पास CEP है, Community Engagement Program, which is so good. That is the aim of NEP.
Get a practical experience.
Yes, of being sensitive to the environment, being sensitive to the community members. So all these aspects which will be covered up in the 6th vertical, and also in the last, the practical aspect. We always say, we always study the 4 walls. Now there is no longer. NEP 2020 ensures that कोई भी बच्चा वो जो 4 walls of education वो तो अभी है ही नहीं. It's going to be practical as well as theory. A very good combination. So that will be your 6th vertical. So in short, these are the verticals which are there in NEP.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for your valuable knowledge you have shared to our audience. In next episode, ma'am, our audience would like to also hear about what exactly is ABCID. They have a lot of confusion about ABCID. So I must say that our ma'am will definitely help us in knowing that what exactly the ABCID.
Sure, definitely. Whatever are your suggestions, your comments which we have received, and your queries you want us to speak about any of the aspect relating to NEP, we will be very happy to help you. It is a pleasure. Thank you so very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Jai Hind.